Dashboards. Most people think boring numbers and charts, right? But what if they could feel as alive as nature itself? Last week, I gave myself a challenge. 5 days, 5 lessons from nature, to see if dashboards can be more than numbers. So, I discovered that mountains teach perspective. Layers give meaning and keep us coming back. Trees show connection. Every branch leads back to a story. Skies teach space. Breathing room makes inside stand out. Seasons teach meaning. Colors should speak before words do. Rivers show flow. Our eyes should move naturally toward decisions. This challenge turned into a story worth sharing. I've put together an article with examples and visuals. And if you've ever thought that dashboards can be more than just numbers, this is for you.